Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.13. The marginal cost of a production of the commodity is 30 plus 2x. It's known that its fixed cost is rupees 200. Find first subdivision the total cost and second subdivision the cost of increasing the output from 100 to 200 units. So first let's note down what is given to you. So marginal cost MC is going to be equal to 30 plus 2x. Now we need to find out what is going to be the total cost. We are marking the total cost with a function c of x. So this is going to be nothing but integral of MC d of x. So what is MC here? The marginal cost. So this is going to be integration of 30 plus 2x dx. So let's perform the integration. So this is going to be equal to 30x plus 2x squared by 2 plus c. So here the 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is 30x plus x squared plus c. Remember, they have given that there is a fixed cost of rupees 200. So this c or the k constant that you will place is nothing but the fixed cost. So the total cost c of x is going to be equal to 30x plus x squared plus the fixed cost, which is 200. So the integration constant c, or if you want you can use the variable k, is going to be nothing but the fixed cost. So replace that with this particular number. So we found out what is the total cost. Now they're asking what is the cost of increasing the outputs from 100 to 200 units. So essentially first we will find out what is the total cost for production for 100 units. We will also find the total cost for finding out or producing 200 units. The difference is what is the cost of increasing that we need to know. So let's compute c of 100. This means wherever there is x, I'm going to place 100. So 30 into 100 plus 100 squared plus 200. So this is going to be 3000. This is a 10,000. So 13,000 plus there is a 200. So this means 13,200. So this is the cost for producing 100 units. Now let's compute the cost for producing 200 units. So 30 into 200 plus 200 squared plus 200. So 200 into 30, this is going to be equal to 6,000. 200 square is 40,000. So 46,000 plus there is a 200. So 46,200. The question is not just the cost. They're asking what is the cost of increasing. So subtract from 46,200, 13,200. So this will all be 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the increasing cost here is going to be equal to rupees 33,000. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.